Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package from Julep to open. Now I know that lots of times I get this and I'm telling you it's because I didn't want it and I forgot to cancel it, but this time I actually remembered, but I went ahead and got it because I thought I'd like it. So let's see, what did I get? I forget. Oh yeah. Now I'm remembering. These two colors are actually for Katie. I do that a lot, don't I? And that's okay. I love my chick. So it's a deep purple and a deep like greenish blue. I think they're really pretty. One is called Logan with a twist, and one is called Chira from Boho Glam. So this one is Chira and this one is Logan. And hopefully those colors are coming up, but this is a really like deep purple and this is like a dark aqua color. They're both really pretty, but I thought that she would like those, so I got those for her. And then this is Look Your Cuticles Look Thirsty Fast Absorbing Cuticle Cream, and I needed this because my hands are so dry and so crummy. I just put lotion on actually, but I could certainly, I mean, look, I have a hangnail right there even. It's kind of neat how it has a little applicator on it. I don't know how useful it is, but yeah, I don't like having the little, so I will just put some on my cuticles and then I will rub it in. And we'll see how well this works, but I am excited about it because I use cuticle oil, but what I didn't finish saying was that I had a kit for free because I had so many points with Julep. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and get my free stuff. I think I still have one more free kit, and then I will cancel, I think. Not that I don't like it, because I do, but it's $25 a month that I really don't need to spend, and I don't need any more nail polish. And I know that they sell other things, but I would just prefer to pick out my own stuff, and yeah, so I'm going to cancel this as soon as I don't have any credits, because if you cancel when you have credits, you will lose the credits. So that's my plan, and that is what I got in Julep this month. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.